Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Geraldine Isuzie. If this is your first time of joining us on this channel, thank you for joining us. You do well to click on the subscribe button and notification bell as well, so YouTube always gets you notified once I have new content. This channel is all about natural skincare tutorials and general lifestyle. And to my old viewers, that's my subscribers, welcome back. Today I want to show you the products I use in taking off my makeup, because I found out that one of the greatest causes of having frequent breakouts is leaving your makeup overnight. That is, not allowing your skin to breathe overnight. That way your skin gets clogged up because of the components and the minerals found in your makeup. Your skin gets all clogged up. That's, your pores are all closed up. They don't have enough space and they don't have air to breathe. So automatically it's either you break out in acne or pimples the very next morning, or an accumulation of doing that several times, damages your skin and you pay for it in the future. So try as much as possible to take off your makeup at the end of every day. Even when you don't have makeup on, try to wash your facial skin at night, in the morning and at night, twice daily. That is what is needed for a healthy facial skin. So these are the products I make use of. Garnier's SkinActive Micellar water. This is, like its name goes, it's micellar water, but it has oil droplets in it. So the oil droplets coupled with the water helps in breaking down makeup into bits and pieces, which makes them come off easily. All you need to do is you moisten your cotton pad or cotton wool with this product and use it to clean off your makeup. You keep doing it until the cotton pad comes out clean. That's when you stop. That is when your skin is free from all the components of your makeup. Then you can stop. I don't only use this for taking off my makeup. It also serves as my cleanser when I don't feel like using a cleanser or a soap, majorly in the mornings. I use this to wipe my face clean before going to have my bath. Then I just rinse my face with water alone and I'm good for the morning. Then at night I can go ahead to make use of a soap or cleanser to wash my face. Then this is the second product, Mirah's Luminous cleansing oil. This is purely oil, but it's not just one type of oil. It's a mix of luxurious oils that will help to build up the skin and also help to keep your skin beautiful. What I do is, when I want to make use of this, the nozzle is a pump, so I just press out a handful of oil. Then I go ahead to use this to saturate the whole of my face with the oil. Then I now start massaging to get off the particles of the makeup off. The oil helps to break the components of the makeup completely. When you even start, you will notice that all the makeup stains now comes on your hands, your powder. When it comes to your eye areas, you see the black liner your eyeliner, you see dark colors, you know, everything, your hands come out very stained with the makeup. So it is very clear that all the makeup has been broken down. So once you're done, you massage it in upward circular movements. That way you're massaging your face, helping blood flow, and you're also working against gravity to prevent your skin from sagging. Then when you are sure every part of your face, you know, has been cleansed with the oil, you can now go ahead to now wash off your makeup using your soap or your cleanser. That way you just notice that you don't even have to apply any effort whatsoever, because the oil has already broken down the makeup into tiny particles that just goes off with little soap or cleanser on your face. This is what I've been making use of, and both has really worked for my skin. It helps my skin to stay blemish free. It doesn't necessarily have to be this oil. If you can't get this, you can also make use of a carrier oil, a natural oil. Like for someone that has dry skin, you can make use of coconut oil, you can make use of almond oil, you can make use of olive oil, you know, to take off your makeup. When you, after applying the oil all over, then using your hands to massage, you know, to help the makeup particles to be broken down, then you now go ahead to wash. This way you don't apply, you know, force on your eye areas. The tugging and pulling is not there, and it helps your skin to stay wrinkle free. So I'm sure you got value from this video. Do give it a thumbs up, share to those you know will love this video, click on the subscribe button to get subscribed, and also the notification bell so you always get notified once I have new content. For those of you that have been struggling with acne, you have lost your self-esteem and you can hardly go out without making use of makeup to cover up the acne dark spots. The Acne Handbook, a guide to getting rid of acne, is a book I put together, you know, that helps to demystify acne. It helps you know the myths and the facts about acne, the causes of acne, how it is formed, what predisposes your skin to having acne, how you can stay away from acne and maintain a clear skin by your choice of foods, and the foods you can also eat if your skin is acne prone, you know, to prevent acne from occurring. It also helps you build your mindset to the point where your mind can visualize it, and then it becomes a reality that your skin becomes blemish free. To place your order for the Acne Handbook, there's a link on the screen and also in the description of this video. Click on it to place your own order. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click on the notification bell as well, so you'll be the first to know once there is new content. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next